Cruises promise adventure, relaxation, and escape, but none of this is possible without safe water. Clean water is the lifeblood of any cruise. The crew works tirelessly to maintain this essential resource. Providing clean, safe drinking water for all is paramount. GPHS specializes in water safety and public health. We help cruise lines maintain clean water systems. Our goal is to protect everyone on board. We ensure compliance with international regulations. Our expertise is your peace of mind. GPHS employs a rigorous multi-barrier approach to water safety. This system consists of 5 crucial stages. 1. Source treatment. Ensuring water is safe from the beginning. This involves disinfection and filtration. 2. Monitoring continuous surveillance of water quality. 3. System protection, preventing contamination within the ship. 4. Active managerial control, clear protocols and responsibilities. 5. Testing, regular analysis to verify system effectiveness. GPHS consultants ensure the highest standards of water safety and hygiene on cruise lines. We provide tailored training programs for crew members involved in water management. Our experts conduct on-site audits and inspections, checking every aspect of the ship's water systems. The benefits are significant, leading to cleaner water and a safer environment for everyone on board. For passengers, it means peace of mind, knowing the water they drink and use is safe and clean. For crew members, it means a safer and healthier working environment. Safe water ensures every moment on board is as pleasant as possible. Contact GPHS today to learn more about our water safety solutions. Visit our website to ensure your cruise ship's water safety.